most people fail at fitness in America and the simple fix nobody talks about. Let me ask you something simple. If fitness is so important in America, why do most people still struggle in weight, energy, and consistency? If you already know the answer, but you ignore it every single day. It not because people don't know what to do, it because they can't stick to it. And today I am going to break down the real psychology behind why fitness fails for most people in the US and the simple system that actually work even if you failed 100 times before. Stay till the end because the last part might completely change you how you look. In America, fitness is sold like a product. Lose 20 pounds in 30 days. Get abs in 22 weeks. No diet, no gym, just this one trick. Sound familiar? But here's the truth nobody tells you. Fitness is not a 30-day transformation, is a 30-year identity. Most people fail because they chase fast results instead of building a lifestyle. Think about it. A person start Monday, they go to gym, eat salad, drink protein and cut sugar completely. By Friday they are exhausted, by Sunday they quit. Not because they are lazy, because the system was unrealistic from the start. Your body doesn't need punishment, it needs consistency. Let's be honest, everyone in America start fitness with motivation. New Year resolution, summer body plan, doctor warning, vacation photos, but motivation has a one problem. It doesn't stay. Your brain is wired for comfort, so when workout becomes hard or food become boring, your mind says, let's skip today. One skip becomes two, two becomes a week, and then you start again next month. This cycle is not a discipline problem. It's a system problem because motivation is like weather. It changes every day, but habit, they stay. Like this, if your habit is good. Here is something most fitness influencers will never tell you. People don't fail in the gym. They fail outside the gym. Let's break it down. You can burn 300 calories in a workout, but one soda, one burger combo, one late night snack can erase it. And in America, food is everywhere. Drive-thrus on every corner, delivery app in 10 seconds, ultra processed snacks everywhere. So the real challenge is not exercise, it's environment. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If your kitchen is full of junk food, you will eat junk food. If your routine is chaotic, your body will stay inconsistent. So the 3% rule that change everything. No one listen carefully. Now listen careful. You don't need a perfect fitness plan. You need a 3% better system. What does that mean? Instead of trying to change everything, gym 2 hour daily, no sugar ever, perfect diet forever. Start with just 3% improvement. Walk 15 minutes daily, drink more water than yesterday, add one healthy meal per day, do 10 push-up at home. That's it. Why does this work? Because your brain doesn't resist small changes, but small changes compound. After 30 days, 3% become 90% lifestyle shift. Your body adapts without stress. You don't feel on a diet. This is how real transformation happen. Not in extreme, but in small win. The American fitness mistake nobody talks about. There is one major mistake in US fitness culture. People focus too much on appearance. Six-pack abs, perfect body, Instagram look. But your body doesn't care about looks first. It care about energy, sleep, strength, movement. That's it. When you shift focus from looking fit to feeling strong, everything changes. Because then you don't quit after one bad day. You don't panic over one small gain. You build long-term discipline. fitness become identity, not pressure. So that's why simple weekly system that actually work. Let's make this practical. Here is a simple system anyone in America can follow. Move daily, not intense, just consistent walk, stretch, light workout, anything. 80% normal eating, 20% control. Don't remove everything, just reduce junk slightly. Sleep matters more than people think. Bad sleep, craving, low energy. Consistency, not perfection. Did you show up today? That's the win. Even it's small. Final message to end. If you take one thing from this video, take this. Now you don't need a new body, you need a new system. Most people in America fail not because they lack knowledge, but because they try to do everything at once. Fitness is not sprint, it's not a marathon, it's just daily decision repeated over time. And the truth is simple, you don't rise to motivation, you fall to your system. So build a system that is so easy you can't fail. Start small, stay consistent, and let time to do the work.